I'm going to teach my friends from ATD and RK3 how to do an acrylic pour. So first thing you're going to do, everybody, is start with some white. So put some white in the cup.
I'm just going to pick up that one,
yeah.
not that one.
Yeah, okay, just a little, okay, that's good.
Oh, into
yeah.
that cup right there.
Into that cup, yeah.
Okay, so I need to pick up that cup.
So,
Okay, just a little bit.
don't drink it. It's not,
Okay, just
it's
a
not
little.
drinkable.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's good, okay.
That's good.
Yep, that's good, that's good. Yep, okay. Now you're gonna just pick whatever colors you want. So pick another color. Yeah, and take the caps off if they have caps. And then just try not to pour too much in because we want little layers. That's good right there, yeah.
Like the whole thing.
And that, it's good to put the cap back on because otherwise you're gonna knock it over.
I don't know where my cap is.
That's good. Well, that's okay. Don't worry about that one.
I need to move that forward.
Okay, so now pick the next color. Not the white though.
We're going to do that one.
Yeah, Rhonda, you definitely need more. More? Yeah. Oh, that's good. Perfect. Ooh, yeah.
These don't squirt, right? We got
I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, yep. There's that's the wrong cup.
Shirt.
I'm gonna pour in the bigger cup,
Okay.
not the little cup. That's good. Yeah, that's a lot of nice color. Okay.
Okay.
Set it off to the side. Okay, let's do another color. One more. It's on the corner. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Yep.
What is it?
Okay, right there. Nope, you're missing the cup. I mean, I missed the cup. I mean, I'm spilling the paint everywhere because I just don't know how to do this.
You're right.
But I'm the teacher. I got this. Okay.
Put that down to the left.
All right, pour. I didn't pour any in yet.
Okay.
Yep, there we go. More. Oh, that's good. Oh, I like it there.
This is
Down.
Okay, let's put a little bit more of this one.
No torching.
How full are we going?
Oh, okay, that's good.
About 7 ounces. So let's do a little more white just to
We're
top it
gonna put
off.
glow in the dark, okay?
Ooh, I like glow in the dark.
Okay, so we're gonna lean forward.
Can you
I'm
reach?
gonna lean forward,
That's a horrible plan.
and okay. We're
White.
gonna okay. I don't like that glow in the dark. There's a bigger.
Wait, are we going ahead
Right there.
now?
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
You need more
That
paint,
was
I think.
excellent.
I need more paint.
You know, short
That's
arms
good.
suck. I just have to grow some more.
Now I think we're gonna do a tree ring.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
we have enough paint.
really?
Jeez, Rhonda, control yourself.
I know. We're good.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna.
Yeah, let's do a tree ring. You're gonna have a lot of paint on your canvas before
Okay.
you start.
So we're
just
gonna
said-
we're gonna do a cup flip.
I'm doing this.
Okay. So
We're
you're
going
gonna.
for it.
Okay. See what.
Erica, you got a manly
You're
voice.
gonna take the
I
cup.
do that sometimes.
Okay. Then you're gonna do a
I'm
tree
just
ring.
gonna set
So
this
I'm gonna
aside.
go in the middle of my canvas, and I'm gonna start a tree
Okay,
ring.
what?
Yep, I'm gonna go in a little bit of a circle
Okay. Put it down.
and
Put
go,
it down, and
go,
you're
go.
gonna
I'm gonna
a
pour
little bit
all
at
the
a time, and
paint
you're just
out.
gonna like turn it a
I
little
need to
tiny
fix
circle.
my canvas.
All
It's
the.
about to
Little
tilt off.
tiny
It's about to
like
tilt
tiny
off.
circle.
Yeah, you gotta make sure.
Pour.
Ooh, that's a
Start
nice
pouring-
flip cup.
Start pouring it.
I know,
Okay,
but
Okay, that's
Yes.
I don't know
And then I'm gonna go to the right.
Like a dom.
That's
You're gonna
okay.
pour
Take
like
the
a
cup
dom,
off.
and then just keep
I'm gonna take
swirling
the
it
cup
about
off the
size of a
canvas
dom.
because
Yeah.
it's messing up my
Don't put
technique there.
No, you
Okay.
can't. Put your hand closer down to the canvas.
Now I gotta take this pink
Okay,
bottle off
now
the canvas
drive
because
that
otherwise I
back.
can't tilt. To my left. Yep. Okay, good.
Forward.
Okay, now start.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and
Yeah,
tilt
do that
carefully
Yes, keep coming
to the
out.
left.
Keep
I'm gonna
pouring
go to the left,
Keep it pouring out.
and then to the front,
Pour it out, let it
to the
pour.
front,
Okay, yeah,
I
tilt
just
your
need to
cup.
move my cup.
Okay.
and then to the front left corner.
Okay.
Toss that out of the
More, it's
way.
not coming out of the
More,
cup.
front left corner, front.
Set this down.
Yep.
Your quarter turned into
Okay,
a
good. To the
$1.
front right corner.
Basically, no chance. of
Front
it.
right
Okay.
corner.
Straight, straight.
Oh, that's looking good. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Keep
I
making
More
it
to
a
the
circle.
front
I
right
can't help but touch
corner.
my face.
Keep it in a circle.
I know. Me
Keep pouring in a
too.
circle.
Okay, back to the
You're
back.
not pouring it out of the cup. Turn the cup up.
Tilt it towards
Turn
my.
turn your cup.
To watch.
Man, your arms aren't working very well.
T-Rex.
Rhonda's yelling at herself. She yells at herself all the time.
My
It's like I
arms-
need to turn my cup up.
Sorry,
My
back
arms are
right
named Kitty.
to the
You're
back
working way
right.
too hard,
Almost.
Rhonda.
Okay, back left.
Okay, now. Okay.
I'm gonna keep my hand
Now
away
I'm
from
gonna
mine
take
so I
my
don't drip
hand
in it.
Back
and I'm gonna pick
left.
up my canvas and I'm gonna tilt it to the left.
And almost got the corner.
Squeeze your hands together.
That's
Okay.
pretty good. I'm
Okay,
gonna get it on
very
my
slowly
shirt if
and
I go
tilt
any
to the left.
closer.
So
Sometimes it
torch it.
happens.
Okay, we're gonna
It
step
happens.
back.
Okay, and I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna put it down carefully.
Okay, keep doing it.
Hey,
All right, we're gonna
Torch.
tilt
you
to the
did
left.
not grow another hand.
What?
To the left.
Marcy,
Don't-
is the
and then
torch
I'm not
like
gonna-
this?
No.
No,
tilt to the
that
right.
is not safe. That is not paint safety.
Not
So if you want, you can torch your paint,
Till left.
lower.
but
Okay,
it
okay.
might give you some pinholes.
That's left.
Right.
Rhonda's butt makes some funny noises.
At least she didn't grow an extra arm.
Okay, we're gonna
You
go
know,
tilt this
it's
way.
in the name of paint saving.
That's
Okay.
true. High We have the
lift
daintiest
up,
high
we're gonna
fives.
lift the front of the canvas up, the front of the canvas up, and then we're gonna tilt to the, there we go. Now
Yeah.
we're gonna go,
All right,
go
Rhonda, lean
forward.
towards your front. Yeah.
It actually looks pretty good for this to be the most hot mess situation.
So we're gonna lift
Okay,
it.
lift all the way forward.
Like
Yep,
that.
yep, yep. That's
Okay.
beautiful, Rhonda.
Thank you.
Love the colors.
Alright.
You know, we should touch up our corners.
Okay.
I'm gonna touch up my
Because if
corners.
Penny were here, he would say, watch
It's
your
a space.
edges.
And I,
Okay,
Yeah,
we're
Erica,
gonna go,
you
we're
should
gonna
touch
do a
up your
diagonal
corners.
right there. Yes.
We're gonna get that paint off the left side
And we're
and
gonna go
just put
right,
it on the corner.
right.
Yeah, that's pretty good. A little more on the corners. Especially on the top
Where?
A little
left.
bit
Okay,
more right
we're
there.
gonna keep going. I'm really liking this.
Okay, good.
Okay,
Alright.
just keep
Yeah,
going.
bottom here.
But I would need to do
Kind
that.
of diagonal.
A little bit on the front of the
bit.
canvas, too.
We got some blank spaces here.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh no.
okay, we're gonna
Okay,
put
you gotta
it
be
down.
real careful when touching up your corners
And then
to
we're
not
gonna
get
touch
the
our
actual
corners.
paint.
Sometimes I don't know
Just
what's
our
happening.
corners.
Sometimes you're not quite in control.
Okay, sometimes I don't know.
We're gonna take that hand
Right.
on the corners only.
Okay, so
Oh,
I'm gonna take the
beautiful.
paint from the
Okay.
left side. I'm gonna feel the canvas so I don't like hit my
Are you having fun or are you just happy to see me, babe?
I'm happy to see it. Also
Got
having
those
fun.
corners. It needs
Okay,
to back.
guys,
You're
so
right.
we're not gonna touch the corners quite so hard, so y'all don't wanna touch them quite so
Yeah,
hard.
you gotta be a little gentle
Be
with your
gentle
corners.
with our corners.
Yes. Just
And
tap,
then
tap, tap.
a
I'm just
pro
gonna
tip,
chop
do
it.
not put your hands over the canvas after you're done because then
Yes.
they'll drip.
So let's go ahead and touch the
You like
canvas
this?
one more time, and we're
Okay.
gonna tilt it
That
back
seems like
a little bit, just a little bit
Got
back,
it.
just a little bit
I don't know how
back.
we're gonna get your hand. Your whole hand went through right
Okay,
there.
well,
Okay,
it's
guys.
still good.
Well,
that
you
was
did
awesome.
really good for your first acrylic pour lesson here.
Yeah, yeah, you did really
You know,
good.
better luck next time, but we did pretty good.
Yes, we did good.
Murder.
So don't forget to
I
subscribe,
need that
and we'll see you all next time.
All right, bye.
next time.
Oh, yeah.
Limited.
Hey, that's the last I've ever got my hands dirty. Oh, yeah.